I got this packet and let's open it. It's GameSir, the new model. And the model is X2s. Let's unboxing. Wow, it's look like high quality. It's have type C. It's working with iPhone 15 and most of the Android phones. You can charge it with type C. The stick is Hall effect and let's say goodbye to drifting. The button is high quality. As you can see, it's high quality. Let's see what's inside the bag. High quality thumbstick, and you can download the programs from this code and manual. The price only 45.99 and you can buy it from the link in the description.